kids, ABC Phonics song with 2 words. Let's listen and enjoy.
A for apple, A for ant, ant, ant. B for bat, B for ball, B ball, B ball. C for candy, C for cat, cat, cat. D for dog, D for duck, duck, duck. E for egg and E for elephant, elephant, elephant. F for frog, F for fish, fish, fish. G for goat and G for gorilla, gorilla, gorilla. H for hand, H for hat, hand, hand. I for igloo and I for ink, ink, ink. J for jelly, J for juice, juice, juice. K for king and K for kite, kite, kite. L for lion, L for leaf, leaf, leaf. M for mango and M for monkey, monkey, monkey. N for neck, N for nose, nose, nose. O for orange, O for octopus, octopus, octopus. P for pony, P for parrot, parrot, parrot. Q for queen and Q for quail, quail, quail. R for racing, R for rat, rat, rat. S for sunflower, S for sun, sun. T for tap, T for tub, tub. U for uncle, U for umbrella, what umbrella, what umbrella. V for violin, V for van, van, van. W for well and W for water, water, water. X for box, X for fox, fox, fox. Y for yacht and Y for yellow, yellow, yellow. Z for zoo, Z for zebra, zebra, zebra.